We visited Drayton Manor in the summer holidays. It's our first visit here and we've used our Tesco's Clubcards, so completely free day out, which is fantastic. And we did arrive early, and as you can see they are holding us at Holding Gate. Reason being, hotel guests have priority access, so they can access the park, I believe, 30 minutes or 1 hour beforehand. So we're just waiting to go in now. Do recommend getting here early, as you can see people are running to the rides to beat the queues. My husband and child included. So we're just coming around this area now so that they can ride the roller coaster. The theming's quite nice around here in terms of you've got the lighthouse just there on the left hand side, and it's like a beachside effect, which is quite nice. So the roller coaster that they are looking to go on is called the Wave, which is just around here. See a few attractions as we walk round. You've got the carousel there to the right, and then you've got the Wave just there. Then to the left hand side you've got the log flume. Unfortunately that was out of action the day that we arrived, but you can see the roller coaster just there. And then you've got the river rapids there as well, which were really good fun. They did open a little bit later on, I believe it was 12 o'clock, so we went there in the afternoon once they opened up. You've also got a play park around the back there as well that the children can go on, and a spinny ride just here. So here they come. It does go upside down a few times. I sat this one out, don't enjoy going upside down, but they absolutely love it. And that was a really good ride as well. So you've got a few things here. You've got the pirate ship on the right hand side there. And then just walking around, you've got the boat ride. And then you've got some food and eateries just on the left hand side, and the stage there, which does have shows on throughout the day. This area of the park is really nicely themed. It's a bit like Frontierland, Western, so it's really nice. You can see they've put some effort in. And you've got a jail there as well, which is quite fun for the children just to go into. You've got a roller coaster on the right hand side, Gold Rush, which was really good fun. I'll just show you that in a moment. You can see that go around. So you've got some swinging boats just there, and we're just entering the Vikings area, which is a fairly new themed area. It looks quite nice around here as well. So we're going to head on to the first ride in this area, which is this swinging ride just here. There it goes. And you've also got this one over here. So there wasn't too many rides in this area, but it was quite a nice area of the park in terms of theming. We did also have some hot dogs for lunch down here, and they were reasonably priced, and they were actually quite nice for theme park food. You've also got the horses just here. So this is quite a good ride for older and smaller children, so smaller children go unaccompanied. And I'll just bring you back round to show you the rest of this area. It's quite a nice part of the park. And those were where we got the hot dogs from. You've also got some characters, and then we're back around this area of the park. So we're now going to make our way into Thomas Land, which is just up here on the right hand side. They've got Dusty, the character, out as well, and we did also get to see the Fat Controller, so that was pretty cool. So it's really nicely themed through here. I was really impressed with this area. You've got lots more rides than what I was expecting. So we went in here in the afternoon, and we also did return for like the last hour of the day, and it was extremely quiet then. You could walk on everything, which was great.
What's your name? Neo, high five, Neo.
You can take a ride on Thomas, but just bear in mind it is a one-way trip to the zoo, so you do have to catch the train back or walk back. A few more rides around here, the flying aeroplanes. You've also got a little mini log flume, which was good fun. Did see some adults on here. They did get stuck going halfway round, so bear that in mind. Another train there. And there's a little train going around there. There is also a monorail. We've also got Cranky's Crane, which is a little drop tower. Just going around there now. So this is where Thomas pulls up in the station. Here's the drop tower. It's a spinning one as well, but it's quite small, but it's great for the little ones. So you can see what I mean by there's actually quite a lot of rides that you can go on. There's the Thomas train. We did go on it. It's quite a long wait though, so just bear that in mind. Thomas is just turning round now. And then I'll just let you see a bit more of a train. There he goes, he's just turning round to make way for the next journey. And I'll take you on the journey so you can see a bit of it as well. So there's a little bit of theming along the way. Another carriage. And as I mentioned, it takes you over to the zoo. First stop is the park. So the playground was really good, and there's quite a lot for the kids to do. And there is also a dinosaur trail, which we did, which was good fun. So we just had a walk around there. And then we walked to see some of the animals on our way back to the park. So it's about a 10-minute walk. We decided to walk back just to have a little look and to save queuing for the train. So some owls just there. And then over here we've got, I think it's called a Malaysian black hornbill. That's it, yeah, Malaysian black hornbill. Some more of the dinosaur trail just there. Some dinosaur eggs. And then we're just walking back now. And then there was, over here, some monkeys. There they are. They were really good fun. Quite enjoyed watching them do the monkey bars. We then saw some red pandas, which were just in here. There is also another little trail you can do, which we didn't. That's on the right hand side there. You then got some meerkats on the left hand side. There they are. And then some birds just along opposite. And we're just going to make our way back into the main park, and we caught a bit of the show. So we went on the river rapids. That was really good fun. I'll just show you what it looks like. So you can get about 6 people on each boat. Really good fun. Boys then went on the wave, and as I mentioned, there was a play park, which is this one. Another ride here. And then to finish the day off, we then finished back in Thomas Land. So I'll just take you there and show you a few more rides. You can see the monorail just there going round in Thomas Land. And in we go. There it is again. You've got the bus ride there. So they are quite small rides in terms of capacity, so that's why it can get queued up. But last thing, there was no queues at all, so do recommend coming here for the last hour and the first hour of the day as well, because it does get busier during the afternoon.
All with different roles to play around, take the sheds and far away, down the hill and round the bend, Thomas and his friends, yes!
That was some of the entertainment in Thomasland. In terms of the characters were really good. Rory and Laurie, the lions, really interacted with the children. Overall, we had a really good day, and it was great that we used our club card voucher, so I would recommend it. If you've liked what you've seen, please like and subscribe for more. Thank you.